let's do a quick swatch. With watercolors, again, that line is so important so you can understand whether or not it's a transparent color, whether or not it's opaque. But you can swatch them in various ways. I usually like to lay down a little bit of water, just pure water, just to sort of get it kind of started, you know. And then, which color do we do? Oh, this is the other part of whoever was asking, does it matter if you already have a cobalt turquoise? Do you need to swatch cobalt turquoise again? I have 2 cobalt turquoises in here, and they're so different. So we're gonna do both.
If you move the water bucket, I can go to the side.
Yes, let's do that. Here, I'll put it up here. All right, so this is cobalt turquoise, and it is beautiful. And of course, me being me, I had to have 2 cobalt turquoise. I believe this right here is Winsor & Newton. Let me actually scooch this up a little bit so you guys can really see it, right? Now, the reason why I wanted that layer of water down is to just kind of get it moving a little bit, because I like to have it, I usually lift with my brush and then I kind of feather it back up just to get that nice gradation. But I'm lifting up a lot of that water to where it doesn't continue to run down, because I want to see, this is kind of my mass tone, and then it starts getting lighter so I can see what those colors are going to do, right? Now, let's swatch cobalt turquoise. That's cobalt turquoise, and that's cobalt turquoise. Isn't that ridiculous? And I also did not lay down the water first, so it didn't start running down a little bit, which is okay. I can kind of get water down there and then bring it up to meet it, kind of a thing. I'm trying not to overbrush it because I don't want to scrub my paper, but these are both cobalt turquoise. That's what they're called, cobalt turquoise.